Hello, I'm Dech. Today we show you Asian style bread using IREKS soft plus bread improver with sour and more concentrate. For the filling, we use freeze-stable and bake-stable golden pressed cream and supreme fill and bake. We need the following ingredients for the dough: bread flour, IREKS soft plus bread improver with sour, more concentrate, milk powder, sugar, salt, instant yeast, eggs, butter, and cold water. Mix all the ingredients for approximately 2 minutes low speed and 7 minutes fast speed with a spiral mixer. Now the dough is ready. Then divide the dough into 3 pieces. I will make 3 different Asian style soft bread with pandan and coconut cream filling. This one I will roll in the machine on the dough sheeter to fill strawberry cream filling, and another one with chocolate cream filling. After this, we recommend to keeping the dough in the refrigerator or freezer for 1 to 2 hours. To make the dough stiffer, it is easy to handle to shape the dough with the cream filling. Now I will prepare the filling, pandan and coconut cream filling using golden pressed cream. This is freeze-stable and bake-stable. Mix with grated coconut, fresh milk and coconut milk, fresh eggs, soft butter, and pandan paste. Now we mix all ingredients together for around 2 to 3 minutes until smooth, and around 2 swirls for 15 minutes. This is Supreme Fill and Bake product. This product easy, just add only water and then mix. Today I make with the strawberry. This is from DREIDOPPEL pasta room paste strawberry. This is I make with chocolate. Now the dough is ready from the freezer. The dough is stiffer. You see, it's easy because we keep it in the freezer. So I will fill the cream. This is the pandan and coconut cream filling. Just a little bit egg wash on the side to make the dough stick together. And then fill the pandan and coconut cream filling in the middle. Okay. And then cut. Just a little bit egg wash, little bit. Okay, and then roll, stick together. I use low pin to cut beside the soft bread. Little bit egg wash on the sides to make the dough stick together later. And then I fill the strawberry cream filling in the middle. Close the dough, stick together, cover. You will see this is a nice design for Swiss Asian bread with strawberry cream filling. This is the chocolate cream filling. And then roll the dough with the filling. Now I cut the dough in the middle and then to beat. Now we are ready with 3 different Asian soft baked goods. Around them into proofers for approximately 40 minutes, cook up around 75%. Then bake the Asian soft bread in a preheat oven for approximately 18 minutes at a baking temperature 180 to 200 degrees. This is hot apricot glaze to make it more shiny and look nice. This is coconut, a little bit topping to make decoration for only pandan and coconut soft bread. Okay, now Asian soft bread is ready. So I will show you how about the texture and also for the filling to bake stable. You can see the texture. Very soft and good smells. For the filling, you can see the filling is no collapse. This filling is good, baked, stable for any bread. Okay, now I will show you Asian soft bread with strawberry cream filling. You see? Nice, soft, and the fillings, this is baked stable, don't corrupt. Same with chocolate. Okay, next one. This is pandan and coconut Asian soft bread. You see, all the same, very nice, very soft. Very soft. The texture very nice. Good smell. You can see we can make different shape, different style. This is the same pandan and coconut cream fillings, different shape. And also this, you can make like this chocolate cream filling and also this style. Everyone can do. Enjoy your baking. See you next time.